this is one of those makeup tricks that I really feel everyone can benefit from because it will really help your makeup kind of go next level. I think it's so easy. We watch people on here do their makeup, and when they're done, their makeup looks incredible. And we try those exact same things, and it doesn't always look as great. So let me show you one of my favorite tricks. So I have a little bit of foundation on. I just added some extra concealer, but as you can see, I didn't blend it out all the way. I left it a little bit stark. I am taking a cream blush. I'm actually going to mix that right up into my concealer. So by blending your blush into your concealer, it really does give you that flushed look. You know, that kind of just came out of the sun. Oops, she said something, you know, that kind of look. So the key is partially blend your concealer like you saw me do. Don't blend it down all the way. Take a cream blush formula. I'm using the NARS Afterglow. Go up high and blend right up into that concealer. So I'm finishing blending the concealer while I'm mixing in the blush. How pretty is that?